Welcome back. Let's draw and color the number 3 with beautiful glitter colors and make it sparkle. Let's get started.
Had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm.
It's color time.
And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
Red color.